Hi guys, this is Tesla Arcade. I'm going to be showing you how to create a Triforce. That counts as a shape, right? Well, triangles, essentially, right? So let's go ahead and add a div for that. Give it a class of triangle, and put our second div in here. Cool. So next, the CSS, let's go work on our triangle class. So cool things here with borders, so let's set the width first to 0 and the height also to 0. Then we can add our borders in here. So if I do a border top, let's go 80 pixels, and let's make it black for now. You see nothing, right? But if I add a second border in here, let's go right 8 pixels, and let's make this one blue for the second so you can see what it does. Notice how it cuts it straight down the middle, and we have two triangles essentially. So let's go ahead and make this one transparent. So we have one triangle. Nice, pretty simple there. Let's go ahead and... Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we'll want to add a second triangle, because we're going to make two triangles, one inside the other, to make our Triforce instead of the 3 that you could typically do. Just to make it simpler. Though if you did 3, you could probably animate them, which would be awesome. Let's go ahead and let's go cut these out of here. And actually, let's copy this whole thing. And remove that from here, and this from there, and do a before, and then after. Cool. Okay, so now we've got nothing showing up, right? So we do our display block, and then add some content so we get to show up. Nice. So now we have two triangles. And we're going to need one that's bigger than the other. So let's go ahead and change our before so that it's behind, right? We'll change our triangle to before to be we want it bigger. So let's do a border top 160 pixels. Let's make it gold. And then our border right 160 pixels, solid, transparent. Nice. So now we have our two triangles. Let's go ahead and rotate them. Yay, rotation. Okay, so first things first, let's rotate our bigger one first. So let's rotate this 45 degrees. So we're gonna go transform, rotate 45 degrees. Nice. But it's kind of going off the side of the page, so we're gonna add a position relative and top 50 pixels, left also 50 pixels since it's going off that side as well. Okay, so there's that. So let's rotate our second one to be negative 35 degrees. And I messed with this ahead of time so that I know what I'm doing and we know how much to rotate each thing. Negative 135. Perfect. So now we've got the up-down triangle. So 2 triangles, nice like that. Next, we've got to make them come together, right? So let's do the transform origin. To move them into the same place. Negative 71%. Okay, nice. And then we do the transform origin on our larger triangle. And this one's going to be 1, negative 3, negative. Yeah. Nope. 50, 35%. Perfect. Okay. Last thing. Change this one to white. And we have our nice little Triforce. Yeah, I think it would be cool to see what you could do with animations if you did 3 different triangles. Kind of make it spin like they do in Zelda. But other than that, we'd probably just want to go in here and add all of our WebKits, all of our different things for different browsers, right? So our browser support. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And so we've got that. And we'll do this WebKit. 45-degree angle. Okay, so now it's completely done, right? Because now it'll work in any browser we have it. Save that. And yeah, that's our nice little Triforce. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make a Triforce, and have a nice day.